Guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be discussing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. I'm going to give you a short-term price analysis to see where are we going to go for the next few days and weeks. Of course, before we continue, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel for more updates about crypto trading. Guys, straight away I want to show you what's happening with Bitcoin right now. We pumped from yesterday at $59,900 to roughly $61,800. And the reason why we pumped was in relation to the unemployment data. You can see that the US economy is still holding up very, very well. 4.1% below expectation, which means that the economy is still holding up well. There is no signs of slowdown of a recession, which means that the stocks investor can put money into risk assets without being too scared. And therefore, the price of crypto and stocks can go higher than normal. So right now, I'm observing the charts over here on the daily chart, and I can tell you straight away that although we had a very good news in with the US economy data, I still believe that this could be just a corrective movement, maybe like a short-term bounce, and we're still not done with this correction. But right now, I'm going to break down the reason why I believe that, so you can then, of course, make your own decision, because all of this is not financial advice. I'm going to show you straight away from here, so you can see, my reasoning behind why I think this could be a corrective movement. So straight away, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cancel all of this and show you everything little by little. And by the way, guys, I was one of the few yesterday calling for a short-term rebound from here. Why? Because it's very important, guys, as a trader, as an investor, to understand very well macroeconomics, technical analysis, liquidity heat maps, and so much more on-chain data when it comes to crypto trading. And for example, yesterday we had a beautiful trade with Beam USDT. So basically what we did, we placed an order with our VIP group at 0.015, and then we had this crazy rip to the upside. I'm going to show you from here on our VIP group, guys. You can see Andrea trading calls Beam potential long around this area over here. And then, of course, I can show you as well the trading results. You can see every single day we're printing money 100 and 2% rise. So if you guys are interested in really learn how to get trading signals, trading calls every single day, if you really want to make money and be in a community of professional traders, altcoin analysis every single day, Bitcoin analysis, altcoin long terms, anything you can think of, guys, join the VIP group. Link in the description below. But let's go back into Bitcoin now so I can show you what's happening right now. So I completely broke down this like a naked chart right now. And at the moment, as I explained before, what I believe is that this could just be a corrective movement. Why? Because we broke an important structure that we have over here in the past. So what I could be thinking is that Bitcoin might be able to go and retest this area over here. I can see if you have a look at the liquidity heat map, there is lots of, I'm going to go on BTC so you can see a little bit better. You can see there is lots of color around this area over here, $63,000 to $64,000. So it is my belief that what we could be seeing right now could be a fake pump, to the upside, potentially reaching this area over here, and then we're gonna be forming what we call an ABC pattern. So A, B, and then C pattern. And how low is this C pattern going to go? Well, that's quite simple. What you can do to calculate how low is going to go to, then what you can do, you can just go here, take your Fibonacci retracement. You can see the golden pocket area in general lies around the $57,900. So I would believe that if Bitcoin is not going to be able to break this area over here, what is going to be happening? We're going to see this correction to the upside, maybe during the weekend, and then one last movement to the downside, which would probably match with this week over here, and then this week over here. You can see that BTC is forming what we call like a potential, like a triangle over here, and it would be very reasonable for BTC to go down to this area, then have a rebound again, then close this angle until maybe the 13th of November, and then explode depending on the election with Donald Trump and so much more. But for now, guys, I believe that short term we should be able to correct up to this area over here, and then we're gonna have another drop to the downside. I'm gonna go also on the 4 hour to show you a little bit more in depth what I can see. Basically, you can see that right now we broke the structure, the previous structure over here, and from here, what I will be seeing is going to be a potential fake out up to this area to try to fake everybody thinking the bull market is back and we're going to go to 100K. And then from here, continuation down this way. And then from there, we're going to see, of course, a bigger correction to the upside. So that's what I'm expecting right now. Let's see if it's going to play out. Now let's going to go on to Ethereum, guys. Ethereum is into a very similar situation. You can see that right now we had a very big drop, from 2,640, and right now it's basically on live support. So we had to understand what we can see with ETH. Unfortunately, we also broke this important level over here of support, which was sitting at 2,450, and right now looks like we could be recoiling. I'm going to show you. I'm going to zoom in a little bit back from here, so we can also calculate with our Fibonacci and see where we are from this area. We might be able to go and probably climb back around this area over here with ETH, probably go up to this area here around 2,500. It's going to be probably matching with this exponential moving average, and this could be happening by Saturday or Sunday. And then from here, very similar to what I said before with BTC, we could be seeing maybe one last drop to the downside, perhaps down to here at $2,150. And in this case over here, guys, that's going to be very, very bullish, because ETH could be forming a potential triple bottom or even a inverted head and shoulder. That could be a very good shape, and it should push us way higher in the next few months. It's going to be very exciting for them. Next one I want to show you guys, very important, Solana USDT. Solana as well had a very bad drop to the downside. Everybody was saying we were going to $170, $180, but we went into the completely different direction. But Solana at the moment is still holding on that level of support over here. I was saying in my VIP group as well that could have been a very good area of support for a rebound. We actually nailed the trade, and right now what I could be seeing with Solana is going to be again slow climb back up around this area over here, and then we should be seeing like another correction to the downside. Solana as well, I would say that as a minimum target, I'm expecting a drop a bit down to this area over here at 128, 129, if not lower. If not lower, because looking at this, if you're going to have a corrective move, then could be something like this, just this one, and then down to this way. So I would say minimum 128, 129, if not even down to here at 110. So, sorry for the Solana boys. I'm also a whole lot of Solana, so I should be feeling very upset as well, but I'm really not, because this is the trader's market, guys. That's how it works. Next one is going to be very important, guys. I was mentioning in my previous videos, if you watch my previous videos, about a potential recoil of the DXY. You can see that I drew this one roughly on Tuesday, the 26th, 27th of September, and DXY is following exactly the way I was saying. So the reason why it could be a potential sell-off in crypto right now is related to the fact that the DXY is actually pumping is pumping back over here, right? So basically, when you have a RSI, like a very low RSI, but also you have a low a DXY dropping, that's actually very good for crypto and stocks. But when you have the DXY pumping up, that actually can be very negative for risk assets like crypto or stocks, because investors, what they do, they put money into cash, and of course they're going to sell their risk assets. So you can see right now we are pumping up, which means that crypto can go down. So basically what I was looking for this on the DXY, which is very important, is the fact that DXY is just trying right now to reclimb this area over here. I just believe it's only like a corrective movement as well. So we might maybe see a potential pump up to here at 103 to even 104 until the end of October, November. So maybe up to this area over here, and then from here I'm expecting something like this. I'm expecting maybe a bit of recoil, go up to 103, 104, and then once the Fed is going to cut rates again, then I'm going to see this, because my target for this DXY, guys, you probably know if you already follow my videos, it's around here, around 96. And 96, I can tell you, is very, very low. So I'm going to go to this area, 95, 96. I'm expecting BTC to be way higher than what it is right now. The last one I want to show you as well, very important, US 10 years treasury yield is basically the government bonds. You can see as well, very similar. I drew this chart, this pattern long time ago, showing this potential shoulder invert, head and shoulder, and now we can see, like, we are recoiling up and try to retest this level of support. And what I'm expecting from here could be just a retest around this area and then to continue down. So nothing to worry about at the moment. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. And also remember, if you want to, quality data, statistics, trading calls, you want to be in a community of professional traders, join the VIP group link in the description below. But also, if you want to learn more about how to trade the cryptocurrency markets, if you want to learn from me, I got a 20 minutes full video, like a free video on how to make 20+% per month in under 4 hours per week, so you don't need to stay in front of your computer. You can watch it. I call it the FTA $1 million strategy, because it enabled me to make to go from 200k to 1.1 million in 2023. So if you want to watch it completely for free, it's on my website. I'm going to put the link as well for you to watch it. But anyway, I really hope you're going to have a great weekend, and I'm going to see you tomorrow for another video. Take care, and I'm going to see you soon.